8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Please proceed here on the stage. Come on, everybody, smart kids, patingin na sa playground. Ingatan natin yung playground dahil sa atin.
Tinatawagan po lahat ng smart kids, yung mga nasa likod po, dito po tayo sa harapan.
Galing naman, magkapatid. Hello po.
Okay, teachers, pag-assist ko lang mga bata. Ay, yung mga priesthood natin, nag-silbi na. Okay, pwede mo bang invite lahat ng parents na nandito ngayon na tayo po ay lahat po kayo? Tayo po tayong lahat, mga parents. Okay. Bago po natin sila kuhanan ng video at saka ng picture. Okay. Okay, pwede po ba natin palakpakan lahat ng smart kids for their great performance tonight? Ayan. Pwede po ba mas malakas pa? Come on, parents! And also, I would like to recognize the effort of the faculty staff. Let's start with the nursery. Teachers, nandiyan po ba kayo? Teacher Irene and Teacher Nika. Palakpakan po natin sila. For the thinker, we have Teacher Laika and Teacher Irene and Nika. For the first grade, we have Teacher Amy. Wala yung palakpak nila mga pinong work sa amin. For the grade 2, we have Teacher G. For the third grade, we have Teacher Nelby. For the fourth grade, our creative teacher, Teacher Jello. For the fifth grade, we have Teacher Emmy. And for the sixth grade, nag-catch ako sa presentation ng grade 6. Very good. Teacher! Again, parents, thank you very much for undying support to all of us. Di pagkukulang man, meron ng mga bagay na hindi na nangyayari na inaasahan.